All right, this is the screencast for 8D that looks like this. So if you took on the extra challenge and instead of doing the more simple multi-view sketch, here is the sketch for 8D. So I'm going to start with the top, and I could see here there's a top. If I looked at it from the top, there's 1, 2, 3 down here, and 4 blocks here. So first I'm going to label top, and then I'm going to draw it out. So I'm going to make one box first. This box is going to represent this one down here. Then I need one right next to it on top of that. They're boxed off differently because they're different heights. Then there's 1, 2 next to that, but they're all going to be boxed off differently because they're all at different heights. So my top view should look like this. Underneath that, I'm going to write out front. So on the front, if I looked at it from the front, I see 1 here, 2, and then these 3 together here. So I need 5 all together. Once again, I want to make sure that if you're following my mouse here, I want to line it up with this line. So I see 1 on the bottom, and I'm boxing it off because it's sticking out right here. 1 on the top of that, and it's boxed off differently because it's a different depth. And then there's 3 coming out of this bottom one, and they should all be together. So I'm just outlining these. There shouldn't be any lines in these because they are all the same depth, these 3. And that's my front. Then I want to do my right one. So from the right, I could see these 2 and this one only. So 3 blocks. I want to make sure I line up, and I'm going to start with this one here. So I box it off. That's my single one right there. Then I should have 2 coming up next to it, like this. And as you notice, my bottom line is lined up with this line. The top lines here are lined up with this top line. And this isometric sketch here should go in the top right corner as well, but I just want you to focus on these 3 views. Thank you for trying your best. So you can go ahead and unsubmit your 1.2 multi-view sketch C or D assignment. You can go ahead and fix your mistakes, erase or add what you need to, and resubmit it so I can see an awesome multi-view sketch from you. Thank you for all your hard work again, and be awesome, people.